Today I will show you how to put your logo in the video. So you can see this is our logo that I will put in the video. Drag the logo to the Premiere Pro timeline. Then go to Scale from Motion. Then reduce the logo size from the scale. Next, move the logo from position to right and left. Or you can click on position. The logo image will be transformed. Next, size the logo. Place the logo in the specified place. Next, click on opacity. Reduce opacity to 80%. Done. Thanks for watching the video.